Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Today I'm back with another good video about a college review. This college is part of KCT Comet K. So this college is called Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, which is based out of Tumkur, which is the city near Bangalore. So this is one of the good college which was established in 1963. So I'm going to cover now the complete admission process, courses offered, fee structure, placement, and student details. So it has a very good placement and it is one of the top NRF rank college. So let's start review with this. So as I said, this college was established in 1963 and it is part of, 125 institutions which is run by same, group, So this group is, run by a mutt called Siddhganga Mutt, which is based out of Tumkur, and you can see, it is being headed by a top seer. So you see, Atal Bihari Vajpayee or, Abdul Kalam and even Narendra Modi or Prime Minister visiting them. So this is a very influential trust and being run as a social service. This organization is being run as a social service for over, now more than 100 years. So let's start with the, as per, NAC rating, this is a grade college. And if you see that, NRF ranking for last 5 years, it's constantly being into top 100 NRF rank colleges in India. So last year it was into 2021, just now released the rankings, it is at 101 position. So let's start, go ahead, and this is a very good college, a very big infrastructure is part of this institution, and it is spread over 100 acres. So you have, you see a few of the pictures, taken from the institute. So it has a very good infrastructure, apart from a good placement, which anyway, as I'm going to show. So and now coming to the branches, in the typical BE course, what are the branches available? So every good branch, in terms of which is available across KCT or the Comet K colleges are available here in Siddhganga. So in Siddhganga, you have computer science, ISC, you have new generation branches like artificial intelligence, and then the prior branches like chemical, civil, mechanical, telecommunications. So a very wide range of branch, including architecture. So now let's see the seat intake metrics. So it is a old college and it has a good number of computer branches, 120 seats, electronics 126, and then the rest of the engineering branches, from the traditional fields up to 60 to 40 seats. And also it offers a postgraduate program in different streams, right? So including your computer, signal processing, which is electronics, power electronics, and many others. So this college is actually offers a quite good variety of courses to the students. And let's see about the place about the examination process. So as a typical college in Karnataka, it has three modes of admission. So first is the KCT, second is the Comet K, and the third is the the management quota. So 45% of all seats are filled through KCT mode, which has happened, and the result was announced almost 2 weeks back. And 30% of seats are taken through Comet K exams, and it was also held earlier, and the result was declared just 1 week back. And the management quota will be opened once these two seats are simultaneously filled. So and the minimum criteria for this getting into this admission process is you should be 12th pass PUC, and with 45% marks in physics and mathematics as a core subjects. And then you can get, and there are seat reservations as per the government metrics, for different categories like SC, ST, OBC. So now let's coming to if you take admission through KCT, then for this is for Karnataka domiciled students who had done 7 years of their studies in Karnataka or the native of the Karnataka. Then you see it is this college closes quite well, and even in the last round of ranking, you see the computer science closing at 5,400, and other branches like information science are 6,000, or electronics and communication at 9,000, electron instrumentation the closest at 26,000. But most of the branches are top branches closes within 10,000 ranks. So if you are I have also created few closing ranks for general merit candidates only, but for Kannada region and the rural region, which has a different quotas. So if you are falling into this category, then your closing rank will be still lower. Now let's get into the Comet K mode of admission. So where all the students who are from the all India, all India basis, and they are looking to study in Karnataka. So Comet K exams, through that if you see the electro computers and the ISCs, closing, so it is around 3,500, 4,000 and rank. So if your rank is under 4,000, you could get and in the first round itself. Otherwise, you have given the round 4 cutoff also, so that you have some chances of getting in this another rounds. So that is how this is available to all the branches. So at for industrial and other core branches, you can get at 35 37,000 ranks also this college. So now coming on to the fees part of it. So if you getting to KCET, your fees for B course will be around 80,000 per year. So the entrance is through KCET exams. And second part will be if you're getting through Comet K, then your fees will be approximately 2.2 lakhs per year. So depending on which admission process you have followed, your fees will vary. Now moving to the most important part, as I said, this is NRF rank 101 college. So it is having a very good placement. You can see all good companies are part of this placement process. Cisco, Amazon, Dell, Oracle, Accenture, you name the company from IT services, it is their part of this. If, apart from that, you see the companies from the electronics fields, like a Johnson, like a Samsung, Siemens, and all others. And you also see a lot of mechanical auto industrial companies like a Bosch, or Nokia, or other companies like Altron. So you have a good mix of companies from services sector or the and as well as the core sectors. As I said, the campus placement 140 plus companies visit that, and 6 lakhs is the average package, and the highest package last year was 26.57 lakhs. So that's a very good offer for 800 plus students, and that's why. And if I have to rate it into Karnataka, it is the eighth best college in Karnataka based on it is the only college which is having 100% placement. So this is the data which is submitted to NRF, and if you see here, 749 students have passed in the stipulated time, and out of which only 17 are pursuing the higher studies, while rest of the 730 students have got job through the college, and median salary is 5 lakhs. So that makes it around 100% placement. And now coming to the total number of offers, you see the total number of offers are increasing over the years, and from 2015, which is 634 to 851 and still counting. So that is why we're saying this is a very good college. Please consider this for your admission. And if you have already given KCT or Comet K, keep it as one of the top options, depending on the cutoff which I have shared in the previous slide. Now coming to apart from your academic credentials, you also have a good hostels available both for boys and girls. So there are 4 boys hostel and 2 girls hostel to accommodate 2,100 students at a time. So this is how things are. And apart from that, all the student facilities will be found in the campus itself, being the yoga class, health center, the auditorium, or the ATMs. Everything is within the campus. You don't have to go out, and it is very close to Tumkur is very close to Bangalore. Apart from that, there are big grounds and recreational facilities within the campus. You see the view of a stadium. There are, and basketball courts, gymnasium, and every sort of a new generation amenities or sports facilities are available here in the Siddhaganga campus. So, hope student, you got a good gist of things which are as a college as Siddhaganga is offering, and it has a good placements as well as good infrastructure. So please, if you have any other doubt, any other questions, which you want to ask me, please put it in the comments, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. I'm going to put few lot of more videos from KCT Comet K colleges in coming days, and this will help you to get into right college as well as get into the right branch. So thank you once again.